Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to integrate Shopify with NetSuite. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to evaluate integration options. So there are several integration options available to connect Shopify with NetSuite. So you can consider using a third-party integration app or middleware, building a custom integration using NetSuite's SuiteTalk API, or leveraging a pre-built integration solution provided by NetSuite or Shopify Plus. Now, choose a suitable integration method. So based on your specific requirements, budget, and technical expertise, select the integration method that best suits your need. If you prefer a simpler setup, using a pre-built integration solution or a third-party app might be a good option. For more advanced customization and control, building a custom integration using the SuiteTalk API may be preferable. Install a Shopify NetSuite integration app. So this action is optional. So if you decide to use a third-party app, search the Shopify App Store or consult with your integration service provider to find an integration app that connects Shopify and NetSuite. So evaluate the features, reviews, and pricing of different apps. Then install the chosen app on your Shopify store. Configure the integration settings. So once the integration app is installed, you will need to configure the settings to establish the connection between Shopify and NetSuite. This typically involves entering your NetSuite account credentials, API keys, and defining the data synchronization rules and workflows. Map data and synchronize records. So set up the mapping between Shopify and NetSuite entities such as customers, orders, products, inventory, and shipping information. Define how the data should flow between the two systems and ensure that relevant information is synchronized accurately and in real time. Test the integration. So before going live, perform thorough testing to verify that the integration is functioning as expected. Test various scenarios, such as placing orders on Shopify and confirming that they appear correctly in NetSuite. Validate data accuracy, order fulfillment, inventory synchronization, and any other key aspects of the integration. Now, go live and monitor. So once you are satisfied with the integration testing, you can enable the integration in a live environment. Monitor the integration closely after going live to ensure ongoing data synchronization. Identify any issues promptly and make necessary adjustments as needed. Last is maintain and update. So regularly review and the integration's performance, upgrade to newer versions if available, and stay updated with the latest features and bug fixes provided by the integration app or solution. Periodically, review and optimize the integration setup to ensure it aligns with your evolving business requirements. So it is important to note that integrating Shopify with NetSuite may require technical expertise, and the specific steps may vary depending on the integration method you choose. So if you need detailed guidance or encounter any challenges during the integration process, it is advisable to consult with a NetSuite implementation partner or reach out to Shopify or NetSuite support for assistance. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.